the board textures are somewhat similar across all stack sizes, at least for the ones that I present today. So in that sense, once you figure out which board textures are the ones to donk jam, you can apply it across all stack sizes. So for out of position, as you can see, like the average frequency was 4 or 5%. So on most boards, donk jamming isn't really a thing, basically at all. And there will be very specific kind of boards that we want to be open jamming. As you can see here on the left, most of these boards are like 6, 7, 8, 9 high. There's a couple weird ones, like a couple of the mono boards, but essentially these like very connected. I can actually make this bigger, maybe better for you guys. Should be a little bit better now. So essentially all these very connected medium high boards, we want to have an open jamming range. Why? If you think of low jacks range again, here's all these broadways like king jack offs, king queen offs, whatever, ace 10, ace jack, queen 10, queen jack, all these hands. All of them we can make indifferent by donk jamming, and they all have to fold if they don't at least have a spade. So from that perspective, it does make a lot of sense. Lots of the other boards we would never ever donk jam, and the reason is essentially that